So bakit wala ka pang trabaho? Siguro picky ka or probably hindi mo alam kung ano yung skill na meron ka na pwede mong magamit sa trabaho. So I strongly suggest kung wala ka pang trabaho, try applying sa BPO. Yes, business process outsourcing or ITO. Kasi who knows kung doon ka mag-succeed, who knows kung doon ka makahanap ng trabaho, makahanap ng income. At the same time, who knows kung doon ka mag-thrive, mahanap mo yung career mo. Or who knows kung doon ka din makakuha ng income para sa susunod mong negosyo. You'll never know. And if you want to know more about applying sa BPO and just about work in general, please follow for more. Thank you and have a good day.